The purpose of the Alpine Classic Invitational Car Show is for us to generate the resources in which to help us complete our Building a Better Tomorrow campaign. We're so excited. We have so many sponsors who have stepped up this year to really help our event. We have an amazing collection of cars. We have about 130 cars here on the premises. We have a Concorso this year that has about 50 cars being judged.
Get them hands up. Throw them hands up. Get them hands up. Throw them hands up.
We look at authenticity, we look at fit and finish on the vehicles, but one of the biggest things is the wow factor. Is you stand back, what cars really present themselves as rolling automotive sculpture. So they'll be looking at three things today. They'll be looking at authenticity, fit and finish is one classification. Presence, style, and elegance is another one, and historical significance.
This car show's purpose is to raise money for the Alpine School, which basically our school has not been renovated in 40 years. So we are trying to raise funds to do a wonderful addition.
Benzel-Busch has a very strong reputation, very honorable, known for their ways. It's still a family-owned and operated business. There's no corporate feeling when you walk into our showroom. You really have a dedicated sales staff. Everybody will bend over backwards to satisfy your every need and exceed your expectations.
The Alpine Educational Foundation is part and parcel to what we like to do. We're really about three things. We're about nourishment, we're about connectivity, and we're about the community. When you look at an event like this and a charity that's focused on the local community, we can't help but want to get involved.
workmanship on the car is phenomenal. One of the original Ferrari Scuderia automobiles, early 50s. I mean, it was the best car on the show grounds today, and they should be very, very proud of it.